I'll do kiwis and I'll show you this, which is a dragon fruit, which you may have not seen before. So with the kiwi, let's choose the right one. A lot of times what people do is they end up cutting the ends off and they shave it first. What I like to do is cut the ends off, cut through the center, and to make those nice slices that look like this is to slice through it, and then I can use a spoon and really just dig in there. Much like an avocado, and I have all your slices. So that's that. And if I wanted to make them even smaller, again, I can do the same thing and go the opposite direction as well. But use your, and now you have these little slices without a lot of trouble. Okay? So that's kiwi. And then I'll show you this dragon fruit, which can be found. So beautiful color. And if you've never tried it before, then tell me what you think of it. But it's very much
It's very much
like a kiwi. The taste,
sweet.
It can be sweet, but I feel like it's more the texture and the color that's beautiful. And if you wanted to cut it, then there's different ways of doing it. But I think an easy way is just cutting it through like that, and then
Make it so
Why?
easy.
It is easy.
Yeah, you make it look easy.
So
It is easy.
I was going to say how I peel that.
Yeah, and then you can
Look
even
at
take
that.
you can
Oh,
take a
yummy.
toothpick, and if you really wanted to go and
Goes-
you know, so we can even go even further and just make sure you have a flat surface. And then
It's
we've
like
got
a chocolate ice cream. You
chocolate
know?
icing. Yeah, so you can taste it if you like, and then you can take that, or you can use it as a presentation too. You can use this and, you know, add other fruit to it too. But it's just a beautiful color, I think, and you can present it on a plate however way you'd like that. So there you go. Oranges, apples, kiwi, fruit cups, and dragon fruit.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so
Really
next time,
impressive.
yeah.
So much.
So next
Yeah.
time, so watch your fingers and be careful and use your hand as a guide. But knowing what you're aiming for, as far as what shape you want and what the fruit actually looks like. Obviously, an apple has a core, so you want to avoid the center. Oranges are in segments. You can decide what you want to do with that. But knowing the fruit anatomy helps you guide you with what you want to do with the knife. Okay, so there you go, dieting.
Thank you.
Dr. Dara.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.